Okay, hi viewers. You're welcome to Coach Traffic YouTube channel. Now, I want to tell you something shortly. If you want to make money before this year runs out, you have to be intentional. Now, looking hungry. Hi, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Traffic. In my previous video, I've explained how you can create and set up your Payoneer account. And the second one I did is how you can input your local bank details so that you can withdraw your money into your local bank. Now in this video I'll be showing how you can withdraw your money directly from your Payoneer and get it into your local bank. So if you have not watched my previous video on how you can set up your Payoneer account or how you can input your local bank details into your Payoneer, go to my videos. You will see it somewhere in my video setup and click it and watch. All right, let's get started. Now, once you have already created your account and you want to withdraw or transfer money to someone, you just come to this side where you have your Payoneer, where you have these three lines. You click on it, then you see the section where you have withdraw.
Okay, the cassava bien mesita, levu make a carry a shakes. I did for continental 7 estates. Make up for entire banana baby. No, daddy my color. Make nobody contract in my
and transfer. Can you see withdraw and transfer? I click on it. All right, so you see withdraw to bank, or you can first manage your currency. But if you have already put your currency in order, you just go to where you have your withdraw straight away. You click on withdraw to bank. So you click on withdraw to bank. It will ask you withdraw details. Withdraw to your personal or company bank. You have to add new account, but I have already put into my personal bank, so not a company bank. So I'm withdrawing to my personal bank, so I don't need to add a new account. Or if you have a company bank you want to put, you can add a new account. So if you have any balance on your Payoneer account, you put in your balance. Is it US balance or Euro balance and other currency? So let me put US balance. So you have your Echo Bank, that is bank I put there as my bank. So you put the amount you want to withdraw. Amount to withdraw, you put it there. So amount available for withdrawal is less than allowed minimum. So you see, but before you can withdraw, you must have up to $5,000 or anything equivalent to that. Yes. So you just see how you can withdraw your money into your account. Then you put in the description why you're withdrawing, that you do your review, right? So the reason why it's showing me this is because I have used up the money in my Payoneer. That's why it's showing me amount available for withdrawal is less than allowed minimum. So if I have a required amount, I will be able to withdraw my money out. But it's just the same way. Once you have done all the needed thing, you just come to review and you review it. Then it's going to, the money will be dropped directly into your local bank account. So you just see it there, then you can use your money or spend it or invest it in either cryptocurrency or any other investment that you're doing, right? I hope this video is helpful. If it's helpful, I'd like you to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.